Hi everyone, this is Arvind from AllCPL. Topic for today's session: difference between array and array list in C#. In this session, we will learn what is the difference between array and array list, and in which scenario we use array and in which scenario we use the array list. First check the array, then array list. Array declaration and initialization. These are the technique. With the help of this technique we can initialize, declare and initialize the array. In first technique we declare the array and the size of array is 6 and the type of array is integer. In second scenario we declare and initialize integer array having size 6 and also initialize the value. In scenario 3 we initialize, declare and initialize the array. Using these three technique we can declare and initialize the array. And in case of array list, like array list, name of the array list and new array list, and in this array list we add integer value, string value and boolean value. It means in array list we can store any type of data, but in case of array we store only integer. If we declare integer array, then in integer array we only store the integer value. Let's check with example. In Visual Studio we define one array having size 2 and this is integer array, and index of array start from 0. Now in next line we initialize the array. Array 0 we initialize some value, in array 1 we initialize some value, and we try to add item in array position 2. Position 2, suppose we initialize the value 10 and the size of array is 2 and we add 3 items in the array. This will return some error, so runtime error. Getting the runtime error, index outside. Means in case of array, if the size is 2 then we can add only 2 items, not more than 2 items. Okay, and next in integer array try to add string data. Again this is not possible, cannot implicitly convert string to integer. It means when we declare integer array, at that time only store integer value, and in next line just print this array I equal to 0, I less than array dot length. This return the length of the array, and I plus plus, just we print this array value. Okay, both the value is printed, 47 and 23. This is all about the array. Now next, array list. Okay, here we created the array list AL, and in this array list we add string data, integer data and decimal data. And in the next line just print this array. Here we declare var name in AL, like our array type. Just print this value, just execute. Yeah, getting the same output. Means in case of array list we add the multiple type of data. These are the difference between array and array list. Difference between array and array list. The first point, array belong to system.array namespace using system, and array list belong to system.collection namespace, and required library is using system.collection in case of array list. And these are the technique. With the help of this technique we can declare, or we can say it's a syntax to declare and initialize the array. And these are the technique or syntax to declare and initialize the array list. Third point, performance faster than array list because it is strongly typed. And in case of array list, performance is slow because of boxing and unboxing. If you are new for this video, you can check boxing and unboxing difference between. Next, array can't accept null value. In case of array cannot accept the null value, but in array list we can add the null value. And next, in array we can store only one data type, either integer, string, character, but in case of array list we can store all data type value. Already we checked the example. Next, this is fixed size and can't increase or decrease dynamically, means a runtime we cannot increase or decrease the size of array. But in case of array list, size can be increased or decreased dynamically. Now the next question, in what kind of scenario we use array, and in what kind of scenario we use array list? The answer, fixed length and strongly typed. In this scenario we use array, and resizable, collection and generic, in this scenario we use array list. These are the difference between array and array list, and we also cover in which scenario use array and array list. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, you can write in comment section.